Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will create a useful randomized password generator that sends the contents to the clipboard to easily paste it. First, we are going to import OS module. Then I'm going to import base64 module. And then I'm going to use base64 and save our password by calling base64 dot b64 encode and pass in OS dot u random and pass in 64 bits. So number will be 64 dot decode UDF 8 and to make sure that we get our password, I'm just going to print it to the screen first. Print on our terminal password. Just gonna save and run our script. Need to remove this one extra over here and just save and run our script. And here is the password. Now we need to copy it to clipboard. So we are going to use paperclip module. So I'm going to add the import line. Import paperclip. And I'm going to remove this line and use paperclip.copy and pass in our password. And then I'm just going to print paperclip.paste to make sure we copied and it can be pasted. I'm just gonna save it. And when we run our script, we can see it got pasted. And I can just right click on my terminal and paste from here from our clipboard also to make sure it copied. And you can see the password is pasted. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.